Morning, Jerome. What are we doing today?
Good morning. Today is a new shoot day. We are working on a project for this company called How Foods. So they created this like vegan egg. But so now we are going to clean up this place. We are at Isaac's house now. We're going to clean up this place to make it look a little bit more presentable. Yeah. So like clear up all the mess here. Then like beautify the place. Put some plants. Hang up stuff. Yeah. So now check out what's going to happen.
Mess. Jerome just called my house a mess. Okay.
Okay lah, my house is worse of a mess lah. That's why I'm here. Not mess lah. It's just a lot of things.
Okay. This and bam. So I think right now we did a really good job at designing the counter space behind the scene. So I think it looks pretty good. Jerome, my thoughts?
Good. I love it. Simple, clean, nice.
This is the scene. Let's get shooting.
Sorry. You got something lah.
We're approaching the very last shot for the day. We got the camera, we got a slider set up. We're gonna slide out of the scene to reveal the whole table full of dishes that you can possibly cook with the eggless egg.
It's a wrap.
Is it?
Actually, I don't know, but it is lah. It is a wrap. It's a wrap.